Hi, third graders. You are going to work on your vocabulary for reading Unit 4, Week 1. The word or words that we are starting with are story elements. So you will need to find this page in your Unit 4 packet. There's a copy of this graphic organizer. Once you have found that and you have your pencil ready, go ahead and write this down in the center box where it says word. This is going to be the sentence that you will write. The author remembered to use all the story elements in her novel. And you may pause this video anytime you need to take a moment to finish what you need to write. So once again, your sentence is the author remembered to use all the story elements in her novel. Notice this sentence begins with a capital letter, it ends with a period, a punctuation mark, and the vocabulary word is underlined. Next, we are going to write the definition for story elements. Story elements are basic parts of a story, character, setting, problem, and solution. And those parts are otherwise known as the plot. For your visual or your picture, you may choose to do something like this. Or you could draw another picture. It could be something totally different as long as when you see your picture, it helps you remember what story elements are. The other vocabulary word that we're going to be working on today is plot. So go ahead and write that down on your second graphic organizer in the bottom part of your page. Then write the sentence. The plot of the story was so exciting that I couldn't put the book down. So remember, you can pause this video anytime you need a little more time to write these things down. Once again, the sentence is the plot of the story was so exciting that I couldn't put the book down. Then check your sentence. Did you start with a capital letter? Did you end with a punctuation mark? Did you underline the vocab word? We will look at the definition next. The definition of the word plot is a storyline or main idea told by a text. And then your visual is going to be your picture. So sometimes people think of the plot of a story in picture form as a roller coaster. Because the plot of the story is made up of the problem and solution, the important events, and the exciting part of the story would happen like at the top of the roller coaster, and then we'd move on to the solution and what happens at the end of the story. So you could choose to draw a picture of your roller coaster, or you could draw something else. Just make sure that when you look at your picture, it helps you remember that the plot of a story is made up of problem, important events, and the resolution, otherwise known as the solution. And the plot can be a lot like a roller coaster.